Hey, Jay here. I want to do a quick demonstration of this black vinyl wall decor tape that we got from Amazon. It definitely was an easy process. It took about 20 minutes to actually put all of it together. I think the most tedious part about this project is just making sure everything's lined up and scraping out the excess bubbles, as you can see that I'm doing right now. This mirror that I'm working on is about 5 by 3. And it really didn't take a lot of the tape. So if you have a mirror that's around that size, I would definitely consider just getting one roll. We actually ordered 2 rolls, so we do have a lot extra left over. So if you definitely want to give your mirror an overall new look or just a new makeover in your bathroom, I highly recommend this wall decor tape. It's definitely taking your bathroom to the next level.